Hello students, today we will see session 1 from the web application, that is working with accessibility options. Computer accessibility refers to the user friendliness of a computer system for all, regardless of their disability. Means computer accessibility is the user friendliness system for all human beings regardless of their disability, means irrespective of their disabilities. This is mainly a software issue, means it is related to the software. When a combination of hardware and software, it enables a person with a disability or impairment to use a computer, it is known as assistive technology. Means when a technology enables a person with disability to use a computer, then it is known as assistive technology. In this session, you will learn about basic accessibility options available on your computer. Here, impairment means part of a body or brain that does not work properly. Okay? And assistive technology means helping or supporting technology. There are numerous types of impairment that impact computer uses. These include cognitive impairments and learning disabilities such as dyslexia, attention deficit hyperactivity disorder, or autism. Here, cognitive impairments means mental state of gaining knowledge problem, and autism means development disability, that is means child development disabilities. The persons having mental disabilities and learning disabilities can have problems while using the computer. Then second one is visual impairment such as low vision, complete or partial blindness, and color blindness. This includes the problems related to eyes, that is the persons having low vision or partial or complete blindness and color blindness. And if such persons are suffering from these diseases, then he may not be able to use the computer properly. The third impairment is hearing impairment including deafness, means the person might be having the problems related to hear, or he can't hear the whatever things are said to him. Okay? The fourth impairment is motor or dexterity impairment such as paralysis, cerebral palsy, or carpal tunnel syndrome, and repetitive strain injury. Here, motor or dexterity impairment means the skill of performing tasks with hands getting difficult, or that is the difficulty in handling the task with the hands, or disabilities related to the hands. Then the carpal tunnel syndrome means veins of hands does not work properly. At that time our hands also does not work properly, so it is considered as carpal tunnel syndrome. Okay, means whenever there is disability related to hands, then such type of diseases occurs. Students, accessibility options in control panel are used to customize the way your keyboard, display, or mouse function. Okay, many of these features are useful for people with disabilities as discussed earlier. Means accessibility options helps the people with disabilities to handle the computer properly. Now, how will you launch the accessibility options? To launch accessibility options in Windows XP, first you have to click start button, then go in control panel, then from that you have to select the accessibility options. The accessibility options window will appear. Students, you will get such type of accessibility options window. Okay, in that accessibility options window there are different tabs, just like you can see here. The keyboard tab is there. Okay, then sound tab, display tab, mouse tab and general tabs are there. Okay, now we will see these tabs and the keys present in that particular tab in detail. Okay, the first tab is keyboard tab. In that, the first key is sticky keys. Okay, the sticky keys is an accessibility feature to help computer users with physical disabilities, but it is also used by others as a means to reduce repetitive strain. Means sticky keys is helpful for the peoples with physical disabilities. Also, it is also helpful to other peoples to reduce their strain. The next key is filter keys. Filter key is a feature of Microsoft Windows. It is an accessibility function that tells the keyboard to ignore brief or repeated keystrokes, making typing easier for people with hand tremors. Filter keys are helpful for the people suffering from the hand tremors, so that they can type easily with the help of filter keys. Also, it ignore the brief or repeated keystrokes used by the user also.